Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the temperature unit in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just wanted to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the premium section, click on the weather button. And remember that this function is only available if you're on the premium subscription of the application. And as you can see, if the weather mode is on, you can set it to Fahrenheit or Celsius. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.